Is your 2017 Ram 1500 displaying a key fob not detected error? This common problem prevents remote locking, unlocking, and push button starting. The culprit is often the radio frequency hub, RF hub, which communicates with your key fob. Issues arise from depleted batteries, RF hub malfunctions, or interference. The good news is, many fixes are DIY friendly. About 15 to 20% of 2017 Ram 1500s experience this issue. As of 2025, Stellantis released software updates to address RF hub synchronization bugs, but not all models are eligible due to hardware limitations. Start with the simplest solution. Replace the key fob battery with a CR2032 type. If that doesn't work, try an RF hub reset. Turn the key to the on position for 5 seconds, then off for 5 seconds. Repeat this 3 times. If the problem persists, relearn the key fob. Using a working key, cycle the ignition 8 times within 10 seconds while holding the unlock button. Then add each fob one by one. For advanced diagnostics, use a scanner to check error codes. Unresolved cases might need antenna or wiring repair. If DIY fails, visit a dealer for professional help.